This is spaghetti aglio e olio, the garlic and oil pasta, a classic Italian, the easiest, the quickest, and the cheapest pasta you can make on the planet. You can feed the entire family with this. This is simplicity at its best. Come on, let's make spaghetti aglio e olio together. This is perfection. Look at the sauce. We go all over it. To make spaghetti aglio e olio like an Italian, we need good quality spaghetti, okay? Today I've chosen thick spaghetti, but you can use normal spaghetti. I'm using 300 grams of spaghetti, which is about half a packet, and according to that, you choose the garlic. So I say 1 clove of garlic every 100 grams of pasta. So 300 grams of pasta, 3 cloves of garlic. But I'm also adding an extra clove for my American friends, because I know Americans love garlic so much. So we're compromising here, yeah? Then chilli, the red hot chilli. You know, you do need this. If you don't like it, don't use it. If you do, you choose as much as you want. And then you need a nice amount of chopped parsley. You choose as much as you want. You know, be generous. Always be generous with this dish. Extra virgin olive oil is probably the most important ingredient. It's the sauce, you know, of this dish. So use 4, 5, 6 tablespoons. Just be generous. Fill it. Some salt, and if you like, you can use pepper. It's up to you. First thing we want to do is to chop the parsley, if you didn't do it yet, and the chili. So we want to cut the chili. Personally, I like to cut it very nice and thin. So that way, it's the same size of the parsley and the garlic, which we're going to crush. So gently crush it too, like that. So all our ingredients have the same size. They can make love together. This is a 10 minutes pasta. So what we want to do is we want to cook the sauce while we boil the pasta, okay? So in a large pot boiling water, we put 1 tablespoon of sea salt. This good quality spaghetti needs to boil for 13 minutes to have al dente spaghetti. But what we do today, we cook them for 12 minutes, so 1 minute less, because we are going to finish it off in the fry pan with all the other ingredients, okay? So 12 minutes. Now we just make sure you push the pasta in the boiling water, give a quick stir, and in the next 12 minutes we're going to do this twice. Okay, to make sure that the pasta doesn't get stuck to the bottom. Time to make the sauce. Now let's make this beautiful spaghetti aglio olio sauce, and I'm gonna make it creamy without the cream, and I'll show you what I mean. This is the extra virgin olive oil, very generous. The fry pan is nice and hot. So the fry pan is on a medium high heat, okay? It's nice and hot. What we do now with the oil, before we put the garlic in, we put just a splash of water, maybe 2 tablespoons of water. I mean, before the oil gets hot. And this will prevent the garlic to burn. Guys, I recommend you to get one of these. This is a garlic crusher. If you love garlic, you must have this, because crushed garlic tastes so much better. So here we go, we crush it, and now put it in there. Beautiful. Now it's time to add the chili, the red hot chili pepper. We mix, stir, and the water is helping our garlic not to burn, to prevent that to burn, okay? So here we go. At this point, some people like to use anchovies. 1 anchovy or 2 anchovies. Why? Because they give the extra flavor to the spaghetti aglio e olio, okay? I'm not a big fan of anchovy spaghetti aglio e olio, but if you do it now, it melts with the ingredients and it could be beautiful. And then later on I'll show you what other ingredients you can use for spaghetti aglio e olio. I'm gonna put a little bit of parsley, not too much. I don't wanna burn the parsley too much. Okay, and here we go. We're cooking these on a medium heat, gentle. We don't want to burn the garlic. And I think this is a good amount of garlic, you know? If you guys want more garlic, go for it. But I want to kiss my wife tonight, so this is more than enough. So guys, we are done. This takes honestly a few minutes for this sauce to be ready. The smell is nice. It's easy. It's under 10 minutes. Okay, well, 13 minutes because the pasta needs 13 minutes. But in less than 13 minutes, you can do a wonderful dish for the family. This is so easy and cheap. Can you see the garlic? If you pay attention to the garlic, it's not burning, okay? We don't have that burnt garlic, which is not something pleasant for spaghetti aglio olio. You want the garlic to be golden, and it is golden at the moment. Look at that. The pasta is almost ready, so we're ready to rock and roll. So the pasta will be ready in 1 minute, okay? So what I want to do is collect some pasta water. So I've got a mug of pasta water. This is your best friend right now, okay? And what I can do now, if you allow me, I put this here and I put the pasta water in. Now, before we put the pasta in the pan, we're gonna put some pasta water, not all of it, maybe half a mug of pasta water. And now we're ready to put the spaghetti inside. We're going to finish off the spaghetti in this beautiful pan, but you will see now what we're gonna do is we're gonna create an emulsion. And when I say emulsion, we wanna kind of get a cream, if you know what I mean, like a cream without a cream sensation, a cream feel. The emulsion means this: we mix all the ingredients together, just stir, 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 before we add the spaghetti. Even if we want to use a fork, okay, and what we do, we put the oil on the side, and we just pretend we're beating eggs. What we want to do now is to connect the pasta water, the extra virgin olive oil, the parsley, garlic, chilli. They really need to make love right now together. See how different it is? This is a sauce. So let's put the spaghetti in. Look how beautiful the spaghettis are. Look how beautiful. Nice and ready. And they want to go in the sauce. How beautiful the spaghetti are. So nice. So nice. This is crucial, okay? Look how important this is. We have the pasta going inside the hot pan. And look at this pan, look, it's telling me, come on, give me the pasta, give me the pasta. Here it is. Spaghetti are coming in. I want to make sure I get all the spaghetti in here. I don't want to leave any of them inside the water. Here we go with more pasta. And this is where the magic begins, ladies and gentlemen, okay? Now, remember I said to you before, we're gonna finish this off in here. So we're gonna cook the extra minute. We're gonna cook the spaghetti in this fry pan for an extra minute. And this, when I say emulsion, this is what we want to do. We want to create the emulsion now. We want the pasta to connect with all the ingredients. You really need to feel the pasta right now. If you feel like your pasta is absorbing everything too quickly, you can see now, have a look, have a look. You can see that there is not much water left because the pasta absorbed all the water. We add more pasta water, okay? More pasta water. But at the same time, we can add more extra virgin olive oil. We can put more olive oil too. And at the same time, I want to add some parsley. Now use the tongs and go in it and stir. Stir as fast as you can. As you can see at the bottom, see this pasta water? This is the cream I'm talking about. When I say cream, like it's a cream without a cream, but see that? It's a kind of a creamy pasta water. It's because of the starch in the pasta water combined with our beautiful ingredients and the pasta, and we get this, a gold liquid. I think we're ready to serve. Can you see that? Can you see how creamy this is? If you come close, can you see? Can you see? It's not dry at all. It's creamy. It's like a, what's the word? Velvety. Takes, you know, it costs a few dollars to do this. Very cheap pasta to make. Very delicious. You can feed the whole family in no time. Look how beautiful. Now let's finish off the pasta water that we have in there. Okay, now it's time for tossing. So we get the extra virgin olive oil and the parsley, put them in together. Ah, look at the difference that you get. Look what you get right now, look. Look at that, look at that, look at this. This is perfection. The tossing, such a simple movement that can change your pasta game. So important to do it. Don't worry if you don't know how to do it. Don't worry about it, just try it. Ah. All the flavors come out. Ah. Look at that. I think I made the best spaghetti aglio olio I've ever made in my life. Can you see it's a little creamier now? This is what I'm talking about. This is the cream I was talking about before. Different parts of Italy, spaghetti aglio olio is made different, okay? There are some people that like to put lemon juice right at the end, just when you toss it. Because maybe, I don't know, it makes it more Mediterranean. Some people like to put toasted breadcrumbs and to replace the parmigiano, you know, or the cheese. You don't put cheese in this pasta because this is a poor man dish. Instead of using cheese, you can toast some breadcrumbs and this is your cheese on the dish, okay? Up to you how you want to enjoy spaghetti aglio olio. These are the options I'm giving you and then you do whatever you like. For today, I'm going to enjoy them simple, as it is. This is also when you add the pepper. If you love pepper, you can put it in now or when it's in your plate, up to you. But this is the moment. Okay, let's plate it. And now let's go and get the sauce. So to get the sauce, just want to go in. See all the sauce is at the bottom there. Get the sauce. We go all over it. Now we finish it off. Put in some parsley. And we're ready to serve this marvelous dish. Simplicity at its best. Moment I've been waiting for, eating time. First, you get that kick from the chili. But let me tell you, it does feel creamy when you put it on your lips. It feels creamy in your mouth. There is no cream in it. How do I explain this? Ooh, that chili is kicking in. Oh, wow. The garlic is just enough to give me that beautiful experience in my mouth. Beautiful combination of simple ingredients. Extra virgin olive oil, yes, is the most important ingredient here. And yes, there is a generous amount in there, and I can feel it. Smooth, easy to eat. Kids will love it. You will love it. Your best friend will love it. Everybody will love it. You want more parsley, put more parsley. More garlic, more garlic. Less oil, you put less oil. But this is an easy technique that anyone can do. Anyone. And don't forget, pasta water is your best friend. Always when you make pasta. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching this episode. I will see you in the next Vincenzo's Plate video recipe. E ora si mangia. Vincenzo's Plate. Spaghetti aglio olio.
I can't believe you're finishing the plate. You never finish the plate.
Never done this on set. Never finished a plate of pasta. I've got so many more pastas to make today, and look at this. I finished it.